We are making soup today, guys. We're gonna pour some oil in our pan. Okay, make sure you guys see it. Got a medium onions here. Saute for a couple of minutes. And we're gonna add our carrots, potatoes, and celery. Saute for a couple of minutes. By the way, our beef, this is a beef cut, it's already been pressurized for 30 minutes. And we have our stock right there. So this is actually my version of Nilaga. And we're gonna put some andouille sausage. Let that caramelize a little bit. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes. And we're gonna put some mushroom. This is a white mushroom. It's been cut. So they're a little bit brown right now. I did my leftovers from yesterday's dish. Alright, since our beef is already soft or tender, so we're just gonna cook our veggies. Okay, so I'm gonna put some little bit of stock in there. In here, so our potato and carrot. It's gonna get help it to soften, and we're gonna put a lid on. Lid on. Give it a couple of minutes. Alright guys, it's now boiling. By the way guys, this is my version of Nilaga, okay? I don't want anybody judging that I need this and need that. A little bit of patis. Alright. I don't want to be somebody that's judging me, oh, that's not you supposed to make the Nilaga and stuff. Basically customizes the way you want it, then you get something. Right, we gotta put a couple of leaf of bay leaf, one, but 2 big ones. Alright. I don't think the carrots and the potato is ready. No, give it a couple more minutes. Raise it back up. By the way, we're gonna put some tomato sauce. Half of this is 15 ounces, so half of this 15 ounces can of tomato sauce. So we're gonna put our tomato sauce now, half a can. And I think we're gonna put the rest of our beef stock. Maybe a little bit more. We're gonna put our beef that's already been boiled, or actually pressurized. Okay, give it a couple of minutes and we'll add our cabbage and we turn our stove top to high. I decided to put all the stock, guys. The stock, it tastes so good, so I don't want to waste it. Already, we're just waiting for it to boil, and we will add our cabbage right here. And by the way guys, all the ingredients is going to be in the description box. Alright guys, our stock is actually a little bit in a pale color. So I'm gonna put all the 15 ounces of tomato sauce. Okay. By the way, you can put black pepper here, but when I pressurize the or boil the beef, I already seasoning the beef bouillon, a little bit of salt and a black pepper. So, but you can add more if you wanted to. Alright guys, it's now boiling. The color is nice. Okay, and let's see our potatoes and carrots. Not quite. The flavor is actually perfect. Yum. I might have to put a little bit more black pepper, guys. Okay, black pepper. Half a teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. That is up to you how spicy you want it. Okay. See, once you actually, your meat is tender, you can make this soup in a couple of minutes. And we're gonna put our cabbage. And this should be ready in a few minutes, and we're going to taste it. It's time for plating, guys. Here's our finished product, guys. My version of Nilaga with the tomato sauce. Okay, guys, let's taste our Nilaga with the tomato sauce. We're gonna do a little bit of mukbang. And this is actually for a change of pace, because we always cook the traditional Nilaga. This will give it a little bit of twist. Yum. So hope you guys try this recipe, and hope you enjoy this recipe. Just like I said, to change or give it a Nilaga a little bit of twist. Hope you guys try it. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next vlog, guys. This is your Misty Home Cooking. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Bye. Thank you for watching.